In this quick video, I'll show you how to create a rounded triangle in After Effects. The simple way. Create a new composition. I'll keep the default settings. Just remember to use 1920 by 1080 if you're working for YouTube. Before we start, one quick tip. After Effects compositions are transparent by default, so adding a background color helps you clearly see your shapes while you work. Press Ctrl plus Y to create a solid. Let's name it BG. Choose any color you like, then click OK. One more small tip, make sure the solid fits the composition. Click this button to make it comp size. Now go to the Shape tool, click and hold, and choose the Polygon tool. Click and drag to draw the shape. You can see our anchor point is off, so let's fix that. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Home to center the anchor point. Click on the shape layer in the timeline, open it, then open Polystar. Change points to 3. Alright, now for the main part, how to round the corners. Go to Add and choose Round Corners. Open Round Corners in the shape layer and increase the value. For example, set it to 160. If you're new to After Effects, it's always good to start with the basics. I have a beginner video that's made exactly for that.